This is the JCW carbon fiber shift knob. Full carbon fiber wing. Literally straight piped. Muffler is gone and everything. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Kevin on Cars. My name is Kevin, and today I have a R56 Mini Cooper S behind me that I will be reviewing. So, this R56 Mini Cooper is from my friend Caleb, and I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. He takes a lot of cool photos, so if you want a photo shoot, just check out his Instagram. So let's first start with the exterior. So as you can see, this is obviously not stock. So I'm just gonna go through a few modifications for the exterior that I really like. So for example, this JCW front diffuser and the whole bumper, and then also the JCW wheels, really nice. And then obviously the side skirts, and in the back it's basically a whole mini challenge setup. So he has this challenge diffuser, and also my favorite part is the challenge wing. And if you look closely, this is a full carbon fiber wing, and Caleb told me he only paid $250 for this, which is pretty impressive. So yeah, here's a quick shot from the rear quarters. It has a really good stance to it. So now I'm going to talk about a few performance upgrades that he has done. So this car is full stage 2 tuned with all the bolts on, like and also it's basically straight piped from the engine. So he has a catalyst downpipe, and then deleted the resonator, and then all the way in the back, here, let me show you, is literally straight piped. Muffler is gone and everything. And then with pops and bangs tune, this car will actually split flames, which I will show you guys in the video. Oh yeah, here it is, ksk.media. That's his Instagram. So that's mostly from the outside. All right, let's pop the hood real quick. All right, so here's the engine bay. You can't really see the downpipe, which is under the heat shield. And there's also new speed intake, which makes really cool intake sounds, which you will hear later. Oh, and also, since we popped the hood, you can also see he has the BC coilovers, which is really cool. And I really like the stance of the car. It's like one finger, 1.5, barely 2 fingers. So yeah, this powertrain at this stage is making about 240. Yeah, 240 horsepower in the sport mode, and if you put it in normal mode, it will make around 180. So yeah, that's it for the engine bay. Let's close it. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the exterior. Let's jump in to the interior and talk about some cool things that he's done. So first, this shift knob. This is the JCW carbon fiber shift knob, and it feels really good in the hand.
It's super rare.
And it's super rare, as you can hear. And also he only paid $100 for this, which new is like $200. And also, oh yeah, he also has a Euro plate here. Might be a safety concern. And then foam mount. Oh yeah, and also there's this gauge here that shows the engine temp. So basically just plug it into the OBD port down here and it will show you the engine temp so you don't overheat while you're driving. Oh, and also going to the back, that's the biggest mod, interior mod, which is the seat delete. As you can see, there's no rear seats, and it's a really clean seat delete, I have to be honest. And then going back, you can see this rear brace across the chassis. So this is actually chassis mounted, so that will increase the stiffness in the rear of the car, which it's good. And also you can see my car behind, so yeah. Well, that's pretty much it for the interior. Let's go out for a drive. Holy crap, this car is really loud. Damn! Okay, so now we're gonna go into sport mode. Holy shit! Okay. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm basically lost the worst here. Oh my! Damn, this is so fast. That's full throttle, third gear. Absolutely nuts. There's a cop.
If he did pull you over, the car's perfectly legal. So, click the sport button so you don't pop anymore.
I did.